So there's some really cool new features in iPadOS 14 that I think teachers are going to like, and most of those revolve around the Apple Pencil. And that uses something called Scribble. And so let's say I have anything that I could type text in. So I have a blank document here. This is just a Pages document. If I were to take my Apple Pencil and simply tap on that document, I get a little toolbar that shows up down here, and there's a bunch of different tools. This first tool is now one called Scribble. And what this allows me to do is I can simply write text and then wait, and it'll convert that handwriting directly to typed text, which is pretty amazing. I still have some buttons here that I can use to be able to hit return to go back to that next line if I need to. So now maybe I'll go ahead and do some writing. Notice I can write anywhere on my iPad I want. Now, I'm amazed by how well this actually works. I have kind of sloppy handwriting, as you may have noticed. I write quickly, and it is able to translate that pretty fast on the fly. Now, a couple other cool things that I can do. I can take my same Apple Pencil, and let's say I messed something up. I can scribble it out, literally scribble it out, and let go, and it deletes things. I could circle something. Say I circle the word stormy, it'll automatically highlight it. I can now tap with my finger, and it'll actually pop out, and I could move it around and choose where I wanted it to go, and so on. I can also double tap with my pencil tip to select a word, or triple tap, and it will select the entire sentence if I want to. So I get a lot of cool new features, and this will work in anything that I can write in. So if I'm in Gmail and I have a blank message here, I could go ahead and do the exact same thing. Just take my Apple Pencil and simply, circle, and it'll highlight, and then I can move things around, or I can scribble things out. Works the exact same way it would in any other app. I could literally put in a person's email address, and it would translate that directly to text, which again is amazing considering how sloppy that was. Pretty close. All right, but you get the idea. So that is Scribble, and that has a lot of really cool features that you may be interested in. So those are just a few more of the new pencil tricks that you get with your Apple Pencil and iPadOS 14.